Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Welcome to another video testing. Magre-review tayo at unbox ng isang airgun pistol. This is the Crossman 1322 American Classic. Unit ni Sir Muhammad ng Iligan City. Okay, Sir Muhammad, Iligan City. Ito na yung unit mo, sir. Crossman 1322. Welcome to 5th generation hobby shop po. Bubuksan na natin yung unit mo, sir. Actual unit. Okay, Sir Muhammad ng Iligan. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, sir. Ito yung unit nyo, sir. May kasamang shoulder stock. Ito yung mga kasama sa package. Shoulder stock. Ito yung pistol. American Classic. Variable pump. 22 caliber bolt action. Pellet. Ayan. 4 pumps minimum. 10 pumps maximum. Check lang natin. Safe. Crossbolt safety. Pag yan, fire. Ito yung kanyang manual. May kasama siyang iPro. Ammo pouch. Saka pellets. 175 shots. Pellets. This is 14.3 grains pointed. Premier. Paglalagay nyo yung shoulder stock, tanggalin nyo lang yung screw para ma-remove nyo yung cover. Yan, testing natin. Sir Muhammad. Four pumps. May lata pa dyan? 4 pumps. Load tayo ng bala. Yan. Bolt. Load ng pellets. Lock. Testing natin 4 pumps. Testingin natin dito sa Mega Sardines. 4 pumps. Okay, Sir Muhammad, 4 pumps ang ginawa natin. 4 pumps. Tingnan natin kung magpipenetrate. Firing. Okay, sa 4 pumps, laki ng dents niya, tapos meron siya penetration, pero hindi siya tumagos sa 4 pumps. Try naman natin 6 pumps. Okay, Sir Muhammad, 6 pumps. Firing. Ayan yung sa 6 pumps. Sa 6 pumps, tumatagos na. Yan, 6 pumps. Okay, Sir Muhammad of Iligan City, sir. Okay na po unit nyo. Crossman 1322 variable pump airgun pistol. For shipping na po ito, sir. Thank you and have a nice day.